Hi, in this video, you will learn 2 ways on how to create a TikTok account. For your information, TikTok is an Android and iOS social media app for creating and sharing short lip-sync, comedy, and talent videos. Also, it is the most cool and entertaining app, especially for teenagers. Our first way to create an account on TikTok is by signing up your mobile number. First, download and install the app on your mobile device, then open it afterwards. Next, tap the icon at the bottom of the screen and then hit the main menu icon at the upper right corner of the screen. After that, tap the Add Account icon and hit the Sign Up with Phone Number button. Next is by signing up your email address. Open your TikTok app on your mobile device, then tap the icon at the bottom of the interface. After that, hit the main menu icon at the upper portion of the screen, then hit the Add Account icon. Lastly, hit the Google icon, then write your email address on the email box. And that is the 2 ways to create an account on TikTok. Thank you for watching!